So I haven't really made much of a video in a while. I just did a video about my bad experience with taking Buddha to a dog park. I'm hoping that, I was hoping that I'd be making more videos and that I would be making more progress in my life. But things are not really, they're pretty much the same. There's a small chance I might get a part-time phlebotomy job. We'll see. I'm still struggling with having the right medications because, my moods have been good, for the most part, but I sleep like 12 hours a day, and quite frankly, I'm surprised I'm out here walking my dog because normally I'd be in bed right now. When I'm not at work, I'm usually in bed sleeping or just laying there. And it's not a life. I'm sleeping my life away. But luckily I saw my psychiatrist today. He's going to put me on Wellbutrin along with the Prozac and Suboxone that I'm on. And I'm on some thyroid medicine too. But my thyroid's okay. I just had tests done, so it's not that. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. But, I don't know.
Hi.
Hello. I really wanted to get back into writing and artwork and crafts, yoga, weight training, all that. I've been gaining weight. I hate that. But every time I think about, maybe getting up and doing it, I just lay down and go to sleep instead. And it's awful. It's really awful. And I'm having a hard time controlling that. My life is not much of a life at all right now. Because my only hobby is sleeping, pretty much, and watching YouTube. Maybe it'll get better when the Texas heat calms down some. I think that's part of the issue. I don't want to be outside because it's so damn hot. There's so many things I want to do with my life, and I want to move forward. I feel like I'm just stuck. I'm just grateful that I have Buddha, but he's got issues too. We both got issues. So, I don't know. My diet's kind of bad, so that's probably part of the problem, and I'm going to work on that. But I don't know what to do to motivate myself. I know motivation doesn't drop from the sky and all that, but I seriously had no issue doing things before I got on all this medication. But I can't get off of it. I need to stay on it right now. Well, I guess that's it for now. I'll try to do another one later.